Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Lessonade. So in this video, we're going to look at the vocab series. So we have 10 vocab lists. We're going to learn them using our visual memory. So every word is linked with a picture. This would help you to recall the words much more easily. And trust me, this is much more easier and fun than the boring method. And without further ado, let's get started. Optical illusion starts with M. So in this picture, we can see as if there's water on the road, even though that's not actually any water, it's just an optical illusion created during the summer. So the word is going to be mirage. So now let's go on to the next one. The next one is deceptive appearance, starts with I. In this picture, we can see an optical illusion which makes our eyes go funny, which means the word will be illusion. Let's review the previous slide, which is going to be mirage. Now let's go on to the next one. The next one is protect and care for someone, lovingly starts with C. In this picture, this person is caring for this pigeon, and the person is giving the pigeon seeds and stuff to eat. So they're obviously caring for it lovingly, and the word is going to be cherish. Before we go on to the next one, guys, let's recall the previous slide, which was illusion. Let's go on to the next one. The next one is dearly loved, starts with B. In this picture, we can see two couples, which suggests they dearly love each other, which means the word will be beloved. Before we go on to the next one, let's recall the previous slide, which was cherish. Now, let's go on to the next one. The next one is usual, starts with N, ends with M. It means that the word definition of the word is usual, and the word itself starts with N and it ends with M. And as you guys could see in the picture, it says as usual. So the word is going to be norm. Now, before we go on to the next one, let's recall the previous slide, which was beloved. Let's go on to the next one. The next one is tease, starts with T. In this picture, we can see two kids gossiping about this kid, and it's making the other kid a bit more sad. So the word is going to be tantalize. Again, before we go on to the next one, let's recall the previous slide. The previous slide was norm. Let's go on to the next one. The next one is make less sensitive, starts with D. In this picture, we can see that it says less sensitive. So link these two things up in your brain and let's review the word. The word is desensitize. So that was a pretty easy one to guess. Now, let's recall the previous slide. Tantalize. Let's go on to the next one. Make a person's hair or clothes untidy, starts with D. In this picture, we can see a woman's hair being really messy, which suggests it's really untidy, which means the word is going to be dishevel. Once again, before we go on to the next one, let's recall the previous slide once again. And the previous slide is desensitize. Let's go on to the next one. Brush and clean starts with G. So in this picture, we can see a dog getting cleaned up and is getting his hair and his fur cut. And as you guys could probably guess the word by now, it's obviously groomed. It's obviously groomed because the dog's getting groomed by this groomer. Now, let's recall the previous slide, which was dishevel. Let's go on to the next one. Change the structure, starts with R. In this picture, we can see the house really modern, as if they've changed it from a really old house to a modern one, which suggests they've remodeled it. Okay, let's recall the previous slide, which was groom. So now we're at the quiz time, guys. Be ready to answer in the comments below. So let's get started with the quiz. The first one we have optical illusion, starts with M. That's the first one we have. And once again, write your answers in the comments. The next one is T, starts with T. So again, remember the picture of the girl getting bullied by the other two girls. Let's go on to the next one. The next one is make a person's hair or clothes untidy, starts with D. So in this picture, we can see a woman with messy hair. So write down your answers in the comments. Next one is brush and clean, starts with G. So remember this one. As you guys could see, you guys could probably guess this by now. Let's go on to the next one. Change the structure, starts with R. Obviously, this was the last one we saw. This was the previous slide we saw before we did the quiz. So you guys will hopefully remember it. I hope you guys have got all of your answers so far. Now let's check them. The first one is mirage. Second is tantalize. Third is dishevel. Fourth is groom. And finally, the last one is remodel. So well done guys for attempting the quiz, and well done for getting them all right. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you want to see videos more like this one, subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any new uploads. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.